Yes, complete.
Is my screen
Yes,
sharing visible
yes,
properly?
yes, yes. Now it's completely okay. Your screen is
Okay.
visible, your voice is audible. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you, sir. I will be going ahead and I will start from this slide again. So first of all, basically, we will be seeing the definition of vaccine. So vaccine is a substance that is used to stimulate the production of antibodies and provide immunity against one or several kind of diseases like the novel coronavirus, which is very deadly right now, rubella virus, and it is prepared from the causative agent of a disease, its products, or a synthetic substitute. Substitute means an alternative that is used to make our immune system familiar with that, to fight with that. So to treat it, to act as an antigen without inducing the disease. That is, with the use of vaccine, we will not cause that disease, but we will be prior, and we know that precaution is better than cure. So it will be a precaution against the disease, like we are going with the vaccine of COVID-19 right now. So now we will talk about the current situation of vaccination in India. That is, now the state has allowed the everyone above the age of 18 years to get vaccinated from 1st May of 2021. Till now, the allowance to get vaccinated was for the frontline COVID-19 warriors and senior age groups. That is going in descending order. As we saw that initially the vaccination was allowed for frontline workers, then after for people above 65 years and senior citizens. The order is going in descending orders from the senior group to the youngsters, as we are seeing it right now. Okay, so now we will see about COVID-19 vaccine, that is vaccine in India. At present, there is availability of two kinds of vaccines in India. That is COVID vaccine and COVID shield vaccine that we can get, that the people above 18 years can get at the vaccination center. The COVID-19 vaccine trains our immune system to create antibodies, just as it when does it's exposed to it, like coronavirus. So now, friends, to get registered for vaccination, we have an online mode of registration and offline too. For online registration, there is requirement of only photo ID proof like your Aadhaar card or your passport will also do, and your phone number. And with this all this material available, you will have to fill up registration form on an online portal. So we will have to fill up registration form using the above mentioned material. Then we will receive the reference ID for vaccination allotment slot. That is where we have to go for vaccination, the details about center and details where to go to get vaccinated and at what timing and all that. So friends, now we will be seeing about the working of a vaccine. Vaccines reduce risks of getting a disease by working with your body's natural defenses to build your protection. When you get a vaccine, your immune system responds to it. So the main purpose of vaccine is to play, or actually not to play, sorry for that, but actually the use of vaccine is to work or to process on your immune system to get familiar to fight with some kind of disease. That is, it recognizes the invading germ, that is such as coronavirus, produces antibodies to fight against that disease. Antibodies are proteins produced naturally by the immune system to fight a disease, like we are seeing right now. Remembers the disease and how to fight it. If you are exposed to the germ in the future, your immune system can quickly destroy it before you become unaware. So, as I said earlier in the above point, that the main purpose of vaccine is to work on your immune system. That before making you sick, before making you unwell, before making you in the symptomatic invading of coronavirus, it will make your immune system familiar to fight with. Now, Kevin will be taking over and he will talk about our immune system. Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. So, about our immune system are designed to remember. So, once you expose to one or more dose of a vaccine, we typically remain protected against the disease for years, decades, or even a lifetime. So this is what makes a vaccine so effective. Rather than treating a disease after it occurs, vaccine prevent us in the first instance for getting sick, which is due to our incredible immune system. The vaccine is therefore a safe and clever way to produce an immune response in the body without causing illness. Yes, so significance of vaccination. So vaccination is a safe and effective way to prevent disease and save lives. As per a survey, vaccination saves up to 3 million lives annually. During the coronavirus pandemic, vaccination continues to be critically significant. When we get vaccinated against novel coronavirus, we aren't just protecting ourselves, but also those around us. So some people, like those who are seriously ill, are advised not to get certain vaccines so that depend on the rest of us to get vaccinated and help reduce the spread of coronavirus. The pandemic has caused a decline in the number of children receiving routine immunization and vaccination. So due to the significance of vaccination, WHO has urged countries to ensure that essential immunization and the health services continue despite the challenges posed by the COVID-19. So here we can see the difference between vaccinated person and a non-vaccinated person. So here we have a descriptive image of CT scan showing the lungs of vaccinated positive patient and a lungs of non-vaccinated positive patient. So we can clearly see that the vaccinated patient lungs are not choked up with the infection, but the lungs of non-vaccinated patient are jammed up and can cause the death at any time. So the significance of vaccine is proved. So, what to do before, during, and after getting vaccinated for COVID-19? So, before the vaccine, people who have been infected in the last 1.5 month, or those who have received the blood plasma should not take the vaccination right now. Avoid taking steroids the weeks before you are vaccinated or immediately after, since steroids suppress the inflammation. So, it is an advisory to sleep for at least 6 hours prior to vaccination. Cancer patients, especially those who are chemotherapy, must act on medical advice. So during the vaccine, follow the instructions set up by the vaccination center. Maintain 6 feet distance until standing waiting as you await your turn. So always wear a mask and carry a small bottle of hand sanitizer with you. Do not take don't take pain relievers. Those medications can decrease the vaccine's effectiveness. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water. Can help to think clearly and will prevent drastic mood change after the vaccine. So after our first dose, self-care becomes very crucial. So vaccinated persons should continue to wear masks, avoid mega gathering and large-scale meets. So after vaccination, you may experience common side effects such as pain, light fever, etc. So drink plenty of fluids, apply a cool, clean, wet washcloth over the injection site, eat nutritious food to improve your immune system and avoid over and under nutrition. So friends, we will be now talking about the source from where we have gathered this information. So this information is totally confidential, and there is no scheme or no any kind of fake in this. That I have said that the source of information we have provided is the official website of WHO, World Health Organization, and the newspapers that we have used newspaper for the current affairs and current situations to know about that. So this is our last slide. And yes, sir, we would like to express our gratitude and we are very thankful to the Chief Managing Director of SARS Institute, that is Mr. Bhavin Shah, for providing us with this auspicious opportunity and counting us eligible for performing under their guidance. Thank you very much, Bhavin sir. Thank you, sir.
ओके, यस, पहले आप कंप्लीट कर दीजिए. अगेन एक्सीलेंट टीम वर्क बाय केयूर एंड जुगल. वेरी गुड इन्फॉर्मेशन, बहुत सारी काम की इन्फॉर्मेशन थी, मैंने नोट डाउन भी की है. एंड आई एम श्योर बाकी सब स्टूडेंट्स ने भी इसमें से आपको जो इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें